Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Gemini uh, Gemini AI on your Google Chrome. So it's really easy. You can use in two ways. First of all, you need to click on the search bar and type the word @ then you will see here Gemini chat with Gemini. Simply click here. So you can write anything. So I'm just going to write how to earn money online and enter. Then you can see it's working now. So there is something like they give. If you want to enter more, like search related topics, like how to earn money online, how can I earn money online, so they give some related topics. So you can use this way. It's really easiest way to use Gemini. Or you can search here and go their website and you can prompt here, but easiest way to prompt here, like you have to enter the @ then choose the Gemini and type whatever you want. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.